Did you know that you can write fast smart contracts with GitHub Copilot? Developed by GitHub and OpenAI, Copilot helps developers write faster code by predicting what the coder might want. Let's see how that works with Solidity. If you're new here, I'm Stefan, and on EatTheBlocks, we help Web2 developers get into Web3. So first, head to the Copilot webpage to start your free trial. Sign in with your GitHub account, start the free trial, enter your payment details, submit, select your preferences, and you're good to go. Now let's install the extension in VS Code and sign in to GitHub. So let's see what Copilot can predict for us right off the bat. By pressing Tab, Copilot suggests an ERC20 contract. And then if I type contract and press Tab again, Copilot is suggesting me how to start the contract with a constructor. You can either accept or you can open the GitHub Copilot, which is going to show you some other solutions. In my case, it was more related to testing in Solidity. So instead, I'm just going to press Tab and I'm going to press Tab again to accept that. Now, what about if I want to add an access control? For the import, Copilot suggests a burnable. I'm just going to remove that and replace it with access control. Then my contract is ERC20 and access control. Now, if I type a bytes 32, Copilot correctly predicts that I might want a minter role with KCHAC256, then a constructor with setup roles, and a mint function that requires the minter role. Cool, okay. But now let's directly tell Copilot what we want. I'm going to say ERC20 with access controls. Now, if I go to the next line and press Tab, Copilot suggests the ERC20 contract, which is correct. Then the access control contract, also correct. Press Tab again. And now Copilot gives me the whole beginning of an ERC20 contract with access control, with setup roles in constructor and the mint function that requires minter role. And it really just took a few seconds. That's it for this introduction. Thank you for watching. Let us know in the comment section if you want to see more of it. And with that, I'll talk to you in the next one.